What's up guys, welcome back to ATC. Today we're talking about something that can move the gold in second. Fundamental news. A lot of traders focus only on the charts, but forget that one news release can destroy a setup or create a massive opportunity. If you don't understand news, you will keep getting caught in random spike on and fake movement. Alright? So in this video, I will break down that fundamental news really is. Which news even matter the most for gold and how I prepare the market react. If you trade SLU USD, this is something you cannot ignore, right guys? So now let's start about fundamental. Right, so what is fundamental? This one's very basic. Okay, so basically for fundamental, focus on economic data, news, and global event. Okay, so that affect the currency value. So for global event, okay, currently things happen which is war, right? So known as geopolitics. Right, so what is fundamental? Focus on economic data, news, and global event, right? So that can affect the currency value. So now example, okay, I try my best to explain to you guys, okay, the most simplest way for you to understand. Okay, so first we do have interest rate. What is interest rate? Okay, very simple. Okay, higher interest rate usually threaten a currency rate. Okay, number two, inflation, which is CPI. Why it's not in the capital CPI? Shows usually the purchasing power of money. Okay, usually show the purchasing power of money. Okay, so number three, GDP. Okay, usually GDP will come up not often, once in a while. So basically GDP is measures economic growth. And for last one is unemployment rate. What is unemployment rate? It's a show strength of the labor market. So let me explain to you guys in the most simplest way. So in order for you to understand example like this, okay, the country's economy is strong and interest rate rises. They increase the interest rate. So investor move their money there, increase demand for the currency. This is basic explanation, okay, about the fundamental interest rate, inflation. Okay, so which is CPI, GDP, and unemployment rate. Okay, so now who control all this? Who control all this? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, who control all this? We call us central bank. There are few important, actually quite important bank that we have to know. Alright, so central bank. So I put 4 only. Actually got few, okay, because it's very quite complicated for you. So this is very basic. So because this 4 is actually important in forex trading. Okay, first one is basically Federal Reserve, okay, which is for USD. Second, okay, ECB, okay, Euro Central Bank, okay, which is for Euro. And then we have number 3, Bank of Japan, JPY. Alright, and number 4 we do have Bank of England, which is GBP, okay, Great Britain. Alright, in trading there are 2 separate category, okay, which is we do have a major pair and a minor pair. So for major pair, right, remember this, okay, for major pair, all pair that related with Federal Reserve. What is Federal Reserve? USD. So which is related to USD. Okay, example Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD USD, USD CHF. Okay, example like this. Okay, USDC CAD. Okay, alright. So for minor pair, example GBP JPY. Alright, Euro JPY, NZD VHF. What else? CAD JPY. Okay, got a lot. Okay, a few more, but we only focus on this. Okay,
break guys. If you're serious about leveling up your trading, make sure you join my Telegram channel, Adria Trader Circle. In this channel, I share daily signals, 24/7 non-stop, market breakdown, real-time update that I don't post anywhere else. Link is in description. Jump in now and stay ahead of the market.
this major pair and also minor pair. So the most famous one is GBP JPY. Okay, this is the famous one. Okay, for minor, but for major pair is this one. Okay, which is Euro USD, GBP USD, and also USD CAD. I got a few more actually. Okay, so now for central bank. Okay, what does a central bank do? What is this for? Those who don't know. Okay, what they do is they're the one who control a country's money policy. Now also they decide things like interest rate and how much money flows in the economy. So if central bank raise the interest rate, right, the currency usually becomes stronger. Okay, and also it is because investor get better return. Okay, that's the purpose, right? Okay, so now in trading, right, if you refer in Forex Factory, okay, since we already enter new months, okay, as you can see this Forex Factory, okay, let's take a look on 1st March. Okay, let's take a look on 1st March. Okay, so this is 1st March on Sunday. We only focus on few news, which is few important and high impact news for us to understand, such as like CPI, FOMC, NFP. Okay, got a lot more. Okay, PMI and all that. But we only focus few starting month, right? Usually when enter new month every Friday, okay, we will have NFP, non-farm employment. Okay, right after NFP, we will have CPI. After CPI, unemployment, okay, claim. Then right after that we have GDP. But this one not that important, okay, to be honest. Alright, scroll down a little bit more, we are looking for PPI. And also right after PPI we do have FOMC. So FOMC, there are 3 FOMC. Usually first FOMC is FOMC economic projection, which is this one, and also FOMC statement. Okay, and we do have FOMC press conference, right? Sorry, we have 4. Okay, the other one is FOMC meeting minutes. FOMC meeting minute, just ignore it. Okay, no need to wait for news back. Okay, because nothing will happen. Okay, so let's say the price volatile. Okay, it will volatile like what, 50 pips, not worse. Okay, it's still okay and not worse. Alright, like the other news that I just mentioned just now. So now let's talk about news. Okay, news, right? We do have CPI. Okay, we do have NFP, and we do have FOMC. Okay, we do have PPI and so many more. But we only focus on this. Okay, this 4. This 4 actually more than enough. Okay, because this one is like the famous or maybe the major. Okay, so remember only this 4. So what is CPI? Okay, CPI. Can someone tell me what is CPI? Okay, no one know, right? So CPI is Consumer Price Index. So if you go up, if price consumer index go up, okay, but CPI basically show the purchasing power of money. Okay, let me explain to you guys a bit detail about CPI. Okay, so basically CPI, right, it measure inflation, which mean how fast. Okay, it measure inflation, which is how fast price of goods, okay, and services are increased. Said goods means, you know, like food material and all that, the things that you need, like you use every single day. So simple term. Okay, it tell us how expensive things are becoming for people. Simple as that. Okay, Malaysia, okay, in US, in Europe, in all other country, we do have inflation. Who control the inflation? Okay, who control all that? The interest rate, central bank. Okay, let me give you one more example. Okay, for example, right, if food, rent, fuel and daily expenses become more expensive, okay, CPI goes up. Now why CPI important? Okay, why you need to understand about CPI and why I explain about CPI. Because remember, we do have NFP. Okay, after NFP is what? CPI. Okay, that's why I explain CPI first. Okay, to you guys. Okay, why this is important to us as a trader. Okay, why is because if CPI is high, right, it means inflation is rising. Okay, the central bank might increase interest rate to control it. When interest rate go up, okay, which is increase, the interest rate goes up, okay, the currency often become stronger. Right? So if US CPI comes up higher than expected, which is usually before data came out, people will do forecast the data, all that, right? If it comes out higher than expected, USD often become stronger. And that's the full breakdown on the fundamental news and why it matters so much in trading gold. Once you understand how news impact the market, you will stop getting surprised by sudden price and start preparing like a real trader. Alright, so charts give you structure, but news give you volatility. When you combine both correctly, your timing decision becomes much stronger. If you learned something today, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Tell me what topic you want next. I read everything, okay? And if you want real-time update, the analysis and to trade together with the ATC community, join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description below. Alright? Ciao. Pew pew.